welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video, as you can already tell from the title, is going to be a home decor video. You guys have already seen me decorate the living room, but I'm going to be making over the living room and the dining room spaces today. I know I have the entire house to decorate. I'm doing them, but I'm just not done with them, so I can't really show you guys. But we already did the living room and the dining room and the kitchen, and you guys have already seen that. But it is a new season and I have changed up a whole lot of stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy. I am an RN BSN, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging, I talk about natural hair, I talk about feminine hygiene, and I just do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to join the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another video again. Like I said, today's video is going to be all about home decor. I have picked out some really fun pieces for the fall, and you guys know that I like an all white or like neutral color palette kind of look, just because I feel like you can switch it up whenever you want. I also like an open airy feel when it comes to home decor. That is why I decided to go with a more neutral palette. But because it is fall time and we're heading into winter here soon, I just wanted to incorporate a little bit of color, and by color I mean just a tiny little bit. And it's not really colors because it's mostly gray, but it's a little bit different from what we had before, because we mostly had whites before. So just like I said, because it is fall, I just wanted to incorporate a little more, you know, some dark tones here and there, some earth tones here and there as well, just to make the place look a little more fall appropriate. With that said, let's get into decorating. So you guys, since I'm about to change everything on here, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this down. You can't really tell, but there's a lot of little fingerprints on here, right there. I don't know if you can see that. Those are all from Nadia, by the way. Yeah, there's some there. And then up here, it's a little dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up before we set everything up. To do is put in the table, put in the new chairs, and then put all the accessories back on the buffet table, and also finish decorating that area. So real quick, let me show you guys the new dining chairs. This is what the new dining chair looks like. I like the fact that the legs are a darker wood tone, but what's great about this is the design. The design is super nice. I mean, look at this. This is exactly what I've been looking for. The old ones were a little skinnier, and they were too, in my opinion, they were too matchy-matchy with the living room. Because the living room and the dining room is one big space, I wanted to kind of divide the space a little bit without really dividing it. So I feel like having a slightly different color in the dining room would be perfect. Also, like I said, I love the design and the fact that it is velvet. It is really, really nice. It's also very easy to clean, and it's just, I don't know, it's just grand. And there's another feature on it on the back that I really, really like. This little feature right here. So instead of pulling your chair out like this to sit in it, you can actually pull it back with this. This is going to help prevent your chairs from getting dirty. So I got 4 of these, and that's what we're gonna be using. So yes, that is the new dining chair. I like it a lot, so I cannot wait to set it up so you guys can see it. So family, these are what the chairs look like. Like I said, I love the details on here. So now we have the dining room set up. All I have to do is accessorize. Okay family, so these are the few other things I wanted to show you guys. So everything on this table here, by the way, is from At Home. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So I did get these 2 lamps from At Home. These are really nice. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice. They are gray lamps. They're wood and they have some gold details on there. I love to mix my metals, as you guys know. I also got these simple lampshades from there. The reason I got these white ones is because of the living room. I already have some lamps in the living room and I didn't want to overpower the whole space with too many lamps. So that is why I got something very simple. And I also got these go on the top of the lamp. I don't know what they're called, but they're crystal and they're really nice as well. I got these pampas grass from At Home as well. They're very long ones, so you can put these in a really long vase or whatever size you choose to use. These were $2.99 a piece, so $3. And I ended up getting about, let's see here, I got about 5 of them, and this little random feather thing was there as well. I think it was like $3.99 as well. I just wanted to get it because I thought it was really cute, so I'm probably gonna add this to it, or maybe I might not even use that. And then I got this beautiful vase from At Home as well. This is where my pampas grass are gonna go in, and they are just gonna go right there on the buffet table. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set those up so you guys can see what they look like. That is what that is looking like. It's nice and simple. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything else, but I feel like it's nice and simple right now. This is how I have this set up. Those on the dining table are fresh flowers that I got from a brand I recently worked with. They were so sweet to send me flowers. I've had them for about, I want to say a week now. I don't know if you can tell that they're starting to die, but they still look so good and they smell amazing. This is what that buffet area looks like. It's super nice. I have the lamps on right now so you guys can see what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lamps off so you guys can also see what they look like. So yes, that's what it looks like without the lamps on. It's pretty nice, simple, clean, and airy, which is exactly what I tend to go for. And on this side, you guys know this little corner. This is where I just keep a few little things like my leftover decor. And on top of there, I have that cute vase with some flowers in it. This basket I got a while back from, I think it was At Home. And then the vases were from At Home as well. And then up here, I have a vase there that's from At Home as well. This one, I don't remember where I got it from. The candle holder I also got from my home. I just wanted this area to have a little bit of a contrast. So that is why I decided to go with the black accent pieces. And those are really nice. The mirror I also got from At Home a long time ago. All right, so those curtains, as you guys can see, I have the sheer one in the middle. I did get the sheer one from IKEA. I do like the windows open to bring in some light, but I just wanted more privacy. So I did go ahead and put those sheer curtains there. And then the main curtains, those ones, that one and that one, I got those from Amazon. If I remember to, I'll try to leave a link so you guys can check them out. But that is what that area is looking like. The curtains are actually a little long, so they drag on the floor a little bit. So I did go ahead and get a curtain holder from Walmart, and I'm just gonna go ahead and install that real quick so you guys can see it. Okay family, so this is one of the new pillows that I'm going to be adding for the fall. As you can see, I have the two gray ones there, but this one has some grays and some like mustard yellow in it. So I just decided to add that, and you'll see why in a second. Again, these are one of the new additions. So this chair used to have a white pillow like one of the other white ones, but we're gonna add this gray one to match everything else that's going on the other side. So we are going to be incorporating this little gold pumpkin for the fall. So I'm just going to set that in here. So family, this is the new addition to the living room. This piece is going to go up there. So we're just going to go ahead and put this up there. So that is what that looks like up there. I absolutely love it. It just ties all the grays and the whites and some gold together. So let me come close so you guys can see what this really looks like. This is what that piece looked like. It doesn't look big, but it is huge, y'all. And from the side here, you can see the gold details better. And then let's come on this side. This is what I was telling you about this new pillow. This pillow matches perfectly with the piece on the wall. It has the golds, the grays, and the whites in there. So perfect, right? So see how that ties in together? Perfect. Here's another angle. So I actually got that piece from Home Goods, and I think it was like $125. The pillow I got from At Home on a separate occasion, but it just goes perfectly with that piece, like I said. All right, family, so I'm gonna show you guys the two other pieces that goes with those. So this lamp is the new lamp for the living room. As I told you guys before, the dining room does have some lamps, and I really like this ropey black detail because it just pops everything out and it makes everything look a little cohesive without making everything too white. So these pieces used to be in the dining room. Now they're gonna go next to the lamps in the living room. And there you have it. How sweet does that look? All right, so we're gonna move on to the other side. I think these are Pampas grass, I'm not sure, but I did get these from At Home, and I also got the vase from At Home. I did originally put it in the dining room, but I don't like them there, so I'm gonna put them in the living room, right next to the fireplace. So the curtains in here were originally open, but I decided to get these sheer curtains from IKEA. So we went ahead and put them in between here just because, like I said, we needed a little more privacy in this area. So that is what this is looking like. So this is what the living room looks like with the lamps on. Absolutely beautiful, and this is so nice at night, you guys. So I did decide to add these two pumpkins to the dining room. As you guys know, my theme is white, so I did go ahead and go with these white pumpkins. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set them over there. Family, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate all the love and support that you guys continue to show to me. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. If there is any other videos that you guys would like to see as far as home decor goes, please go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to do that.